Here I have iPhone 17 Pro, and let me show you how to use the adaptive power mode on the following device. So basically, let me show you how to use your device longer. Let's begin. Let's start by using the settings. From the list of settings, you need to find and select the battery. Let's scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got the power mode. So, in my case, I've got these features enabled previously, but if you don't have adaptive power mode enabled, let's use this toggle here. And you can also enable the adaptive power notifications. Basically, what is the adaptive power? When your battery usage is higher than usual, iPhone can extend your battery life by making performance adjustments, such as lowering display brightness, allowing some activities to take longer, or turning on the low power mode at 20%. In my case, I'm using this adaptive power and it's really amazing. I also recommend to have the adaptive power notifications to have like the control what iPhone is doing on your phone, what adjustments are made. So it's really useful to have this feature enabled. Of course, you can also manually enable the low power mode here, but in my case, this is the best way to keep your device longer, to use it longer, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.